I have a PECHAM bidet attachment. I just want to give you a quick demonstration because I was a little bit confused with these nozzles, okay? So I have everything hooked up here, and you can see you have two knobs here, okay? So this knob here, basically if we go ahead and push this down, the rear, the butt nozzle is going to come out. Now if we press this up, the female nozzle is going to go ahead and shoot out. And this right here is just for the self-cleaning. So you can't push, going down doesn't really do anything. You need to go up, and then you can go ahead and do a self-cleaning. Now, in regards to the rear and the female part, so for instance, to do the rear, I'm going to go ahead and press down, and you can just watch the nozzles come out. So I'll press down. You can make it a little bit faster, and then you can shut it off. You want the rear part, just go up. Now, if I move up, the other nozzle is going to shoot out, and you can see how that is. I can increase the pressure, I can decrease it, and I can go ahead and turn it off. All right? Pretty simple. Any questions or issues? Comment below.